Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove duplicates in Power Query. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, the employee ID. There are some employee IDs showing the duplicates. To remove this duplicate, I'm using here the Power Query. First, convert this data in table. So select any cell inside the data and you can press here Ctrl T to convert this data in table. So here the small dialog box is open. Create table. Simply click on OK. So here you can see data is converted in table with the table design tab. Okay. So just click on the data and go to the table design. In property, just enter the table name. So I entered here the table name, table 1. Okay. And after that, click on the inside the data, go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data option and here in from other sources, click on the from table or range. And here the Power Query editor is open for table 1. Okay. And here the table 1 shown. Okay. And here you can see the data in table 1 showing. Okay. To remove duplicates, simply select the column. So if you want to remove the duplicates from one column, you can select here one column. And if you want to select the all columns, simply select the first column, then hold the control key of the keyboard, then select the second, third, and fourth column. Okay. Then go to the home tab. Okay. In reduce rows, just click on the remove row drop down arrow and click on the remove duplicates option. And you can see the duplicates row is removed. Okay. So after that, just click on the close and load, and that's it. Your data is loaded in your Excel. Okay. So you can see the all duplicates data is removed. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see all duplicate here showing in this data. So this is a way you can remove duplicates using the Power Query in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.